All right, I'm back, guys. So the CL trade from the 9 a.m. session, if you're in it, you got to make a decision. I mean, you have a chance to get out close to break even. Otherwise, you're going to be faced with holding it through the report. And you never know. You could get a volatile reaction. You haven't seen that lately, but we used to see it like with regularity. So you never know. Got 25 more seconds. If you're new to this session, we're going to wait 2 minutes and then look for a trade. The chart on the right is the crude oil, the 377 tick chart with counterpunch trader. Got the 5 tick momentum bar on the left. That really shows you how awful the range has been. And of course the 8 tick, which shows you in another way. And here you go. Look at the bars flying on this chart here. So that is a big reaction, and if you were holding that trade, that wouldn't have been a good idea. And that's why you don't hold a position into the crude oil report. That's a pretty volatile reaction. So hopefully none of you got caught in that, because you can get stopped out way beyond your printed stop. So that's actually, hopefully you guys were all flat and not holding into this, but that's a good lesson why you don't hold into a volatile report like this, or non-farm payroll, for example. Other reports I'll hold through, but not the ones that we already know could be very volatile. And this is the most volatile reaction we've seen in a long time on crude, which is interesting to me. Let me go ahead and mark the reaction range. It's a little bit below the resistance above, as you can see, but that's where it started. And let's see if it can continue lower, or if this is our established reaction range, which is 51 cents. We haven't seen a range that wide in a while. It used to be where that would be a real narrow range, but wow, how times have changed. All right, so we're waiting. Could be a setup here to go short at 54. Yeah, 54. And that will be the short in another 5 seconds. So 54 is the short.
Order
and
filled.
It's targeting 37, and the stop is 71. And hopefully it's not just going to be like a fake breakout that sets up a move higher. Unfortunately, it looks like that might be the case. Let's see if it heads lower again, because there is no move higher. There's no setup to go long because of the filter, the chop filter. Can't go long in front of the 50 moving average. Now it's not in the chop zone anymore. So now we have a stop and reverse at 70. Well, it's at 71. Hopefully we would have stopped out if it hit 71 anyway. But hopefully it pushes lower, and we'll see. One more close below the line there, and it would cancel the long trade. That long trade is at 67. There we go. So no stop and reverse anymore. Cancel the long. And remember, we're trying to get to target 2, which is 37, just on top of the lows of the day. So we need the price to come down and test these lows of the day. Money management is at 43, and we just hit money management. Move your stops to break even, plus 1 tick. In this case, minus 1 tick because it's short. Stop should go to 53. You could see that the stop moved, and we just got to get through the 40-cent level. Trying to get to our full target. There's a key level at 40. There it is. Nope, missed by 1. Yeah, full target reached. All right, 1 and done. Beautiful session. Still trailing now. The trail's at 51. If you want to take profit at target 3, just hit target 3. Target 3 is at 30, and the stop is moving lower. These are the sessions that we are always hoping for. Heads up, the stop has moved to 43, and it just stopped out. If you're still in the trade, get out of the trade. It's over. This trade is done. We're 1 and done. That's the kind of session I love.